Every currency note begins not with ink but with cotton.
Purity isn't optional, it's the first layer of national trust. Fiber transforms into the foundation of every note.
Fiber dissolves into the foundation of currency.
Strength and brightness are engineered together. The sheet that will carry 17 languages takes its first breath. Moisture fades, structure remains.
Moisture fades, structure remains.
Every note starts as a blank canvas, its journey protected and precise from the very first sheet. Every step within the factory is choreographed, moving sheets closer to transformation. Precision begins before ink ever touches the paper.
Moisture fades, structure remains. Every sheet is counted, every movement recorded.
From trolley to conveyor, each sheet is guided with engineered precision toward printing.
Here, blank paper prepares to become currency. The transformation begins with the first layer of ink. Layer by layer, identity takes form.
Even before printing, every sheet is validated, reinforcing security at every turn.
Heat seals permanence into every fiber.
Pressure creates the texture of trust.
17 voices unite on a single note.
Security is woven into the very fabric of value. With each rotation, blank sheets transform into the nation's currency, vibrant and secure.
Light itself becomes a guardian against forgery. Invisible defenses shine under scrutiny.
Automation protects perfection at full speed.
Automation protects perfection at full speed.
Stability ensures flawless finishing. Trial runs confirm accuracy, ensuring every note will carry flawless text and patterning.
From sheet to note, identity becomes individual. Every note receives its singular identity. Numbers are tracked with uncompromising precision. Order emerges in disciplined stacks. Each bundle carries its production history.
Protection is sealed before distribution begins.
Value consolidates into transport-ready form. From production floor to guarded passage. Access is granted only through layered control. Every step is watched, every movement recorded. Behind steel walls, currency awaits release. Stored with discipline, protected with certainty. Security completes the cycle of creation. Technology governs every note beyond the press. Every number is mapped to a national ledger.
Automation ensures speed without sacrificing control.
Accuracy protects value at every stage.
Distribution begins under armored watch. From factory floor to national circulation. Invisible details confirm authenticity before circulation. Imperfections are separated before reaching the public. Order ensures both security and efficiency. Identity is confirmed before packaging. Protection is physically reinforced for transit. Bundles consolidate into organized, traceable units. Every batch undergoes rigorous laboratory scrutiny. Integrity is measured at the microscopic level. Durability ensures every note withstands the test of time. Visual perfection is confirmed before distribution. Final human verification complements automation. Compliance meets readiness for national circulation.
Every note begins its journey under protection.
And this is how modern factories produce India's currency from start to finish.
Organization ensures secure handling before national distribution.
Transport carries responsibility as much as currency. The production journey concludes, yet circulation begins anew.
Comment what's next.